It is Wednesday, September 27th, time 8:30 a.m. Market just opened up. Wanted to go briefly over what's going on this week. Starting off with the VIX, had moved up to R1, and this would have been a selling opportunity for a small gain so far. Target would have been here somewhere. Gold is finally moving. I didn't take this trade. That was overnight, late. I think, yeah, I was late, and haven't been trading gold much lately anyway. So would have been a long holding, and would have had to add to it in here somewhere. And it's taking a lot of heat, obviously. The ZN is not doing anything this week. It's still going up and down. Same thing with the 10-year. Only thing I see is possibly selling in here if we get there. Oil is moving, and I haven't been trading oil lately, but there's possible sell in here. There's talks about oil going over to 100, so we'll see. The MES did give us a long. Now what happened is, again, from last week, would have been long added to it. Luckily I took my loss in here. It was a small gain, I think, on the MES, but I took loss on the other instrument. It dropped from there. I was looking at this in here, and I anticipated this flush in here. So basically they go up to this high and just a little bit more to flush as many stops as possible, and down it went. The long is not really here as a breakout trade. The long is actually here, and that was a perfect trade. Still moving today, so we'll see. I anticipate that it'll go up to here somewhere, and we'll see. MNQ didn't quite get low enough to take a trade, so no trade there. Nothing on the M2K as well. MOM was also a perfect long in here, with the target being here somewhere. The 6A Australian dollar is a long. I don't think I traded any of the currency futures this week. 6E, a long, and we are at a place where you should add if you are long. And I'm just trading Forex this week, not the futures at all. 6B long in here, and it's starting to move some. Swiss franc long added in here, and now it's taking some heat, but it's starting to move. The target would be, I would think, somewhere in here. Canadian dollar is not doing anything. Nothing for the corn. Wheat short R1. Soy, nothing. Natural gas is not doing much. It got close, but not close enough. I'm still holding a lot of Forex positions, and I'll go over some of the ones I'm holding at a loss, obviously. So we didn't reach anything close enough to take a trade on the AUD CAD, so nothing here. Been holding AUD Swiss for quite a while, long. And remember what happened last week. I'm not going to go over that again. Didn't take my profit in here as I should have, and it moved up and still moving. So I'm holding 2 or 3 long short positions from here, and waiting for it to drop down to this level or get stopped. This morning I added a AUD USD Australian dollar long at S1. Nothing here. I did take a short on the CAD Swiss in here, and it's moving against me. We'll add to it in here if we get there. Nothing for the CAD yen. Nothing here. Nothing. That is moving quickly. Nothing. This I was long, and I'm not adding here, but I will add in here, and it's moving against me obviously. Euro New Zealand, nothing. I had put a limit in, and I still have it in. I think I'm just waiting for it to fill. It's moving toward it. Nothing for the pound yen. Nothing for the euro yen. The yen hasn't been moving much lately. Nothing for the, I still have the long for the pound Aussie. Long, I think I have three longs. No, two, maybe two. From last week. I did put a limit overnight, early, at 90.75, and didn't quite get there. That was overnight. Came in the morning and saw it in here somewhere. I completely missed it, and it looked like I missed it again. My limit stayed at 90.75. Got close, but not close enough. But I'll be out of all of my positions too, both of them, at 90.75 in here. So we'll see if we get there. I got close again, but for some reason this level is holding. I'm taking profit on the euro pound in here, and we're very close. So I have two positions, one here and one here, and they'll both be at this will be break even, and this will be at a gain. So hopefully we'll get there at 8660, I think, is my limit. Nothing on the pound Swiss. I am long on the Euro USD and added to it in here a bit early. Should have waited, obviously. Should have just followed the rules and took it in here, because it's getting there now. We should see a snap from here, move up to this level. We are at a point to take a long, but in here, but I'm not going to take it because I have other positions that are not correlated to this. If I'd be long here, I would be not making any money on the pound Swiss, so I'm not taking this long. It wouldn't make sense for me to take it. Nothing with the CAD, and again the yen is not doing much of anything, so that's pretty much it. I'm still down and holding. Going back to the MES, it's trying. I think we'll see this today, but if not, I will add in here, and we'll go from there.